Right Recipe Travel family, we are here in Galveston, Texas, and we're headed to Gaido's, serving seafood since 1911. Supposedly the best seafood in Galveston. Let's take a look. Gaido's is located on a prime location on Seawall Boulevard, directly across from the ocean in Galveston. Now let's take a look at the menu. Several wonderful choices. As soon as you walk into Gaido's and directly to the left, there is a gift shop. So many cute little items in here. Let's take a look. Okay, now it's time to eat. Let's take a look at this restaurant. Get a look around, check out the ambiance. Let's explore. We start our meal with the bread selection, and I have a lemon drop martini. So this is asparagus Michael. It was actually listed as an appetizer. It is a jumbo asparagus coated in Parmesan flour with jumbo lump crab meat and Beurre Blanc 20. Mom got the chicken panzini, which is charcoal grilled chicken with wild mushroom, Swiss cheese, cream sauce. And my sister got the charcoal grilled North Atlantic salmon. It is coated in a lemon butter and dusted with a charcoal seasoning. And we finished our dinner with a classic creme brulee dessert. We really did enjoy Gaido's Seafood Restaurant. It has a great location right on Seawall Boulevard, directly across the street from the ocean. Great food, fair prices, and a casual, cool atmosphere. We didn't see any fish or crab that large, but the food was still very good, large portions. We walked away with a smile on our face, and we would definitely recommend this restaurant. There you have it, Right Recipe for Travel family. We hope you enjoyed our adventure. We'll catch you again on the next one.